In this demo, you will learn how to deploy a Prism Central VM on your Nutanix network. From the home page, locate the Prism Central widget and select the Register or Create New hyperlink. In the Prism Central dialog box, select the Deploy button. Prism searches for any available Prism Central versions and displays them in a list on the screen. Select the Upload the Prism Central binary hyperlink to upload Prism Central from your computer. In the Upload Installation binary section of the Open dialog box, select the Choose File button under the Prism Central metadata file JSON label. Select the metadata.json file and select the Open button. Next, select the Choose File button under the Prism Central metadata file tar label. Select the tar file and click the Open button. And that's it. You should be able to deploy a Prism Central VM on your Nutanix network now. I hope you enjoyed this quick demo, and thanks for watching.